Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. The paper I've chosen today is 2024 June 21 and we're going to look into task 4 there, presentation. You're going to create a short presentation. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting. Create a presentation of 8 slides. So open PowerPoint, blank presentation. The first step is you will save the file. Okay, file save as, browse, save it inside the work area, the folder that has been provided. Okay, so the file name is going to be your center number followed by a candidate number. Save. All right, here they're asking us to create a presentation of 8 slides using the file J2421 playgroup. So from new slide, under home tab, new slide, slides from outline, browse for the file J2421 playgroup, insert, and the content is inserted here as slides. But here, if you notice, you have 9 slides. The first slide is an empty slide, so you delete that off and you get 8 slides. Okay, now next, unless otherwise instructed, the slides must display a title and a bulleted list. So you don't make any changes. You just leave it to a title and bulleted list on all the slides unless you are asked to change. All right, next, place at the top right of the slide a header with your candidate details, and in the footer, automated slide number left align. And this must appear in the same position on every slide. So we'll do that on the slide master. Go to View tab, Slide Master. Remember, the formatting here must be done on the first slide. Delete the date. And then the footer here, it is here your candidate details will appear. So this we will move it as header. Okay, and move it to the top right. And then hashtag is where your slide number appears. So move it to the bottom left. And then add in the details. Insert header and footer. Check the box here, slide number and footer, and type in your candidate details. Your name, center number, and candidate number. Click apply to all. You can make changes to the formatting just in case if it is not clearly visible. Apply black and increase the font size. The same thing for your header as well, so that it's clearly visible, but you just need to make sure it doesn't overlap with any other content or item in the slide. So now go to Slide Master, close Master View, and check if it appears on all 8 slides at the same position. All right, yes it does. Now moving on to the next step, locate the slide with the title Our Staff. Our Staff is slide 5. Here, you're supposed to select the 3 bulleted items after the text Center Manager Who and do the formatting as shown. So after Center Manager Who, the 3 slides, they're asking us to change the bullets to a dash or a hyphen. So from the bullet list, you don't find a hyphen here. So click on bullets and numbering. Again, you don't find it here. So you customize. Click on the customize button and click for a dash or a hyphen. And then click OK. OK again. So hyphen is applied there. And it has to be away from the left margin. So it's somewhere in the middle of the text dedicated. So press the tab key twice on the keyboard. On the keyboard, press the tab key. Okay, twice will do. And apply italic because the picture shows italics. The text are applied with italics. All right, that's it on this slide. Next, delete the slide with the title Our Guiding Principles and Areas of Learning Development. So these 2 you will have to delete. Slide 3, Our Guiding Principles, delete, and then Areas of Learning and Development must also be deleted. All right, next, using the data in the file J2421 test scores. Okay, open the file, highlight, adjust the column so that the text is fully visible, and then create a vertical bar chart to compare the achievement for only the subjects literacy and mathematics, and display the subjects as labels on the category axis. So you will highlight only literacy and mathematics with the content of them, and then go to Insert, Recommended Charts, and there you have clustered column. Okay, this is also acceptable, but here if you notice, it doesn't show the subject names on the category axis. Only the first one shows, because the question paper has mentioned subject must be there on the category axis. So we choose the first one. Click OK. You get the chart there, and change the chart title. Label the chart with the title Impact of Early Childcare on Test Results. Impact of Early Childcare on Test Results. All right. Next, display the following. Values only as data labels along the top of each bar. So click on the chart elements and check the data label. So it shows the data above each bar. And then next, a legend showing preschool and no preschool. So here at the bottom, you have a legend, but it doesn't show the required data, preschool or no preschool. Instead, it is showing series 1 and series 2. So you right click on the legend, select data, and series 1. Click on series 1, click on the edit button here, and click the cell which has the text preschool, which is A3. Click OK. And then the same thing you do for series 2. Click on series 2, click the edit button, and click on the cell which has the text no preschool. Click OK. OK again. So now the legend has changed to preschool and no preschool. Okay, now next, format the value axis scale to display. The value axis are the data that is on the left. So right click, format axis. All right, here they say minimum is supposed to be 0, minimum value 0, maximum value of 56. So change the maximum value to 56, and then increments of 8. Increment here is the units, major. So change it to 8. So minimum 0, maximum 56, major 8. And then next, you're supposed to copy this chart and place it in your slide with the title Academic Performance to the left of the bullets. So copy the chart, go to your PowerPoint. In the title Academic Performance, you move the content to the right, and then you paste the chart there. And move the chart to the left of the bullets and enlarge the chart so that it's fully clearly visible. But make sure it doesn't overlap any other items. Okay. All right. Now next, step 28. On the slide with the title Long-Term Benefits. Long-Term Benefits is the last slide. Slide 6 there. You're supposed to create an arrow-shaped action button that looks like this and position this in the bottom right corner. Okay, go to Insert, Shapes, take an arrow facing right and draw this on the bottom right and change the formatting here. Shape outline, you change to black. Shape fill, you choose no fill, and you can increase the weight to around like 3 point, should be fine. And then, so here they say format the action button so that when clicked, it opens the document with the file name J2421 lifelong. So it means you are asked to change this arrow button to a hyperlink. That is, when you click on this button, it takes you to this file. This file should open. So it's basically a hyperlink. So in order to do that, it's J2421 lifelong. All right. So you right click on this. You right click on the shape, and some of you will have it as hyperlink. If you don't, just click on the link option here, and then it shows you this. Now here, choose the current folder and choose the file J2421 lifelong. You're supposed to provide a screenshot of this. So provide a screenshot and then click OK and paste this in your evidence. Yeah. Okay, coming back here. So once done, you're supposed to enter the text lifelong gains in a black font on the action button. So right click on the shape, edit text, and type lifelong gains. Okay, highlight the text and change the font color to black. Okay, lifelong gains, yeah. Change the font color to black. Okay, make sure the text displays on one line. The text has to be in one line and it must fit the shape and should not overlap the border. So the text has to be within the shape itself, should not go beyond the shape. And then, all right, this screenshot is done. Now save your file, and then you're supposed to print the full presentation as handout in portrait orientation with 2 slides to the page, each filling half the page. So to print, you go to File, Print, and then leave it to print all slides, and then the size, full page, you change it to 2 slides so that you have 3 pages with 2 slides each. Okay, and then choose the correct printer and click print. So that will be your printout. And finally, at the end of this paper, you will have to print the evidence. Okay, and that's the end of this paper. I hope that was clear. See you guys in another video. Thank you. Bye-bye.